Hello, I'm back. Well, finally, after a few hours, unlike the video that was just done in seconds, I popped the plaster mold out of my upper casting impression, and this is the results. It's all made up, it's all nice and hard. This is now the clay mold. Right, as they would call it, this would be the plug on a boat. This would be the mold. From the mold, then I'd take these here pads, these are the future gums, heat these up, boil these in hot water till they're pliable and stretch them in that, and then I place these up on top of the ridge here and then locate where the teeth properly go. Alright, so now I'm going to go heat up a saucer pan full of hot water and drop these rascals in there. Plop, plop. And hopefully, shortly thereafter, I'll have something that looks like this. These here, I could tell by putting these on to my existing mold, this new mold, how loose these things always had been. These were the original dentures that I had made up in the Carolinas. And at the time they installed these, they told me they were temporaries. That was 18 frickin' years ago. Anyways, these are probably temporaries, and if they last as long as these did, hey, that's alright by me. These will probably nicely fit. If not, I have another kit. I'll make another try at it. Just need more plaster of Paris and a set of teeth. Anyways, wish me luck. Peace out.